everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. Today we're going to take a look at two wavy short to medium length bob style cuts by Belle Tress in the Luxe collection in the color Cool Champagne Blonde. And remember, you can find these styles at Wig Studio 1 if you drop below the video. Expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link there. You can click on the link and that link will take you directly to the site where you can explore the colors and the price. I have reviewed both of these styles. What I'm wearing here is the Belle Tress Missoni in the color Cool Champagne Blonde. And we're going to compare that to a very similar bob called Spade in Cool Champagne Blonde. Again, both of them are completely hand-tied. Ear-to-ear lace, full monofilament top, hand-tied panels all the way around. It doesn't get more natural looking than this. But there are some, I think, key differences that make a big difference for me personally when I'm shopping for wigs. So this here Missoni is 8 to 10 inches. So you're gonna see some layering, a little more layering around the face, an 8-inch layer culminating in a 10, overall about 11 inches. It kind of gives the illusion of a subtle angle, and it's not a dramatic angle, however. It just makes it really fun and flirty. The hand tie makes it a nice graceful movement. No permatease and a very light density. These are taken down on the ends. That keeps it on trend. It also makes it really wispy and modern looking. So let's take a look at Belle Tress Spade. And I'm gonna do a side-by-side. The big differences that you're going to want to know, this Spade seems to be a little bit longer in the front. There's less layering, so that's going to be about a 10-inch piece right off of the front. And that tends to swoop in over my eyes, and it doesn't flatter me as well. I really like a little bit of layering around the face, just so that I can feather it back and work it for my own face structure. So about 10 inches and about 11 to 12 inches overall. You might see a little more dramatic of an angle on Spade. I won't know until I see the comparison side by side. Again, that beautiful champagne color. Overall, it just looks like a dynamic platinum, and it's unrooted. That's gonna make so many of you happy out there. Other big deal here is that this Spade has a lot more fiber on it compared to the Missoni. I would consider Spade medium to heavy density, and I would consider the Missoni light to medium density. So you're gonna see and enjoy a little bit of a heavier, lush density on Spade. So let's go ahead, put them both on, do a side-by-side. I learned so much from this. I hope this was helpful in some way to you. And so enjoy these two. I will see you next time right here on Taz's Wig Closet.